I've never done Savvy Mineral eyeliner before, and it's actually been a while since I've done eyeliner, so this will be interesting. When you walk down the makeup aisle, do you feel intimidated? Overwhelmed? Not knowing what to do with anything? Well, never fear, because this is an Idiot's Guide to Savvy Minerals. Hi everyone, welcome to Savvy Minerals for Idiots, or an Idiot's Guide to Savvy Minerals, done by an idiot. Here are the things that you'll need for today's tutorial, okay? It's super serious. We need some foundation. I'm using Cool number 2 Mineral Veil. I'm using the Diamond Dust Mineral Veil. For the blush, I'm going to be using Smashing. And the bronzer is called Crowned All Over, which is fantastic because crowns sound like a good thing. This eyeshadow is called Wanderlust, and here is the eyeliner. It's called Jet Setter. It's kind of weird because it's like a powder, but anyway, I'll show you guys all that a little bit later on. So Young Living is really nice because they label their brushes. For idiots like me, see, foundation, it says right on the brush, foundation brush, and then, you know, the veil brush says veil, the eyeshadow brush says eyeshadow. Oh, I might as well go over the brushes now. So, you got your foundation brush, veil brush, which is so gigantic. You have your blush brush, or bronzer brush, is whatever. And you have an eyeshadow brush, a blending brush to blend everything so nicely. You have an eyeliner brush. This is going to be very interesting because I've never used this. I've never done Savvy Mineral eyeliner before, and it's actually been a while since I've done eyeliner, so this will be interesting. Also, some Savvy Minerals mascara. It has coconut oil and lavender oil and all the things that will nourish your lashes really well. This lipstick, I think, is called Adore. Yeah, Adore. It's adorable. Alright guys, step 1 is you want to get all your ART skincare system, and you want to wash your face with the gentle cleanser. And you want to tone your face with the toner. So I was just gonna put a little bit on here. And then you wanna moisturize. Always make sure to moisturize. Moisturizer. Alright, and after you have done that, we are ready to get started on the makeup. Are you ready? Step 1 is take the misting spray, take the cap off, and then you're gonna mist your foundation brush a little bit. Then you want to get some powder into here. Yeah, that looks good. And make sure that when you're applying the mineral makeup that you also, wow, that's the worst blending I've ever seen in my life. Make sure you also blend under your jaw to make the makeup blend in with your skin tone. How's it going? And if you want to, you can add as many coats as you want to just get a fuller coverage everywhere. Okay, we're gonna do this. Spritz that brush again. If I really wanted to, I could probably get some better coverage of this treble area right here, but I'm lazy, so I'm not going to. Just gonna add a little bit on my neck right here. Yeah. Okay. If you want to blend better than me, that is fine. Like, you go for it. You go for it and you accomplish great things. Alright, next up we have the bronzer. There's like literally, there's not very much of it left in here. Well, we'll try. Oh, okay, there's a little bit. Now with the bronzer, what you want to do is you want to kind of take it and like accentuate your cheekbones or whatever, you know, to like make them. If it's good enough for you guys, it's good enough for me. Just kind of do a little bit of bronzer here and there to like, you know, make your face look a bit more natural. Okay, I am liking it so far. Also, if you're like a super pale vampire like me, which summer is coming up, so that won't be an issue anymore, you can also put some on your neck. It's like make yourself look more human, which is always super fantastic. Okay, next up, I think we'll do the blush. Smashing! We need the blush brush, of course. Okay, so I got my blush. I'm just gonna put a little bit on the top of my cheekbone to make me look like I go outside. Gonna take my blending brush. Blend, blend, blend. Yeah. Okay. Next up. Okay, next let's add some mineral veil because it's like pixie dust, which I love. See? That's just gonna give your cheeks a little bit of highlighter, a little bit of sparkle. I just spilled it everywhere. Yeah, see here in the light you can see it a little bit more. Next I'm gonna do lips because I'm honestly just like kind of procrastinating on doing my eyes because I'm really bad at it. Alright, now we're gonna do the eyes. Okay, this might be really scary. You know, I'm gonna do the eyeshadow later because I know I'm gonna mess up the liner. I'm just gonna take like a little bit of water and hey, it's working. Okay, let's try this. I mean, I'm just doing a horrible job and I don't think, I do not know about this. Like, this is nuts. Wow, that's horrible. I don't think I'm messing up too bad for not having done this in like 2 years. So I think it's alright. I just hate it, but it's fine. side's thick and the other side's not. The vicious circle of doing a horrible job. I'm just gonna move on and hope that no one notices that it's a really crappy job. But hey, next up we have mascara, and I'm hoping that it'll kind of make up for it. Oh, also in addition, guys, you can always take some foundation and go under your eyes a little bit to make it look like you sleep at night. Like so. Okay, now next we're just gonna add a little bit of Wanderlust to the lids to make them pop completely. There we go. Spray the side of the cup a little bit. Oh, come back here. Hopefully this applies so nicely. Ooh, it's shiny. Just gonna add that to brighten things up a bit. Okay. I'm pretty content with the final look, even though the eyes look like they were done by a 4-year-old. It's alright. I think I'm pretty pleased with the final look. I don't know. Tell me what you guys think. Because this has been Savvy Minerals by an idiot. An Idiot's Guide to Savvy Minerals. Which is great because Savvy Minerals is really straightforward. You know, they label everything. You don't have to guess about what's this brush for, what's that brush for, you know, things like that. So overall, I'm pretty pleased. I don't usually wear mascara every day or eyeliner, but I'll have to like start getting much better at it. So yeah, if this video has been helpful to you, please like and subscribe, because that would be great and I would really appreciate it. So please tell me, guys, what you think of this video in the comments, and if it was helpful to you to kind of explain how to do Savvy Minerals. And I will see you guys next time. Bye. Alright, now we're gonna do the eyes.